Oh. Oh, she fell. What are you doing here? Daniel, you ringing her little bell? He gave her a treat. She got all excited over the treat.
Nope.
See, if we put the ball on the bed, she'll play with it. Look. There she goes. Ah! What's that? You're acting crazy, Nia. Ah!
Hey, Dad.
You want me to wake up Cece? Where's Cece? She's sleeping. Cece! Ah.
Even when we have sex, I can feel his eyes burning a hole in the back of my head.
That's gonna keep me up at night.
This little bugger, she'll sleep through
I got it.
through a bomb.
I got it, Dad. I got it.
Oh.
I got it, Daddy.
Yeah.
I
So you can move her
got it.
around.
I got it, Daddy.
You
I
got it? Look, she's tired.
Wake up. Wake up.
Cece.
Daddy.
Get him over here.
This one will sleep through an atomic bomb. Poor Daniel, he wants to play with her, but she won't. Say hi to the camera, Daniel. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Jesse.
Hi,
They're meaningless crap.
Uh-oh, we got an escaper.
Past winners for Best Jingle. Barry Manilow, Randy
Right.
Newman, Kenny Loggins, Archie Baldwin, Archie Baldwin.
Here's Cece, you're sleeping there.
No, it's an honor to win. Being nominated is just a soul-sucking waste of time.
Daniel,
Why are you so sure?
gotta go like this. Here, go. Hey, Cece.
Hi, Cece.
See how she just wakes up out of the blue, though? Like, if you try to wake her up, she won't get up. Then all of a sudden, it's like, wham. What's going on, everybody?
That hardly seems fair. Tell me about it. Encourage people to get drunk and drive fast.
You got the ball.
Oh, there's Cece.
Here, you want to shake your hand?
Well, win or lose, you should still go to the
No. The award ceremony is like a timeless song. If you don't know that there's going to be a happy ending, there's no point lying down.
She wants to be petted. She wants you to pet her, buddy. You want to pet the ferret? That's Cece. Say hi, Cece. You want to pet Cece? And we're out. Oh, Cece just woke up. She's all distraught.
Let's try a little experiment.
I've never seen a kid more daring and crazy in a tub than that.
Look, it's Cece.
Lays on her back, face up or face down, it don't matter.